Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to log out from Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: to log out from your Snapchat app, first of all open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner, and now tap on the settings icon to the right hand corner. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on Logout. You can save your login information by tapping on yes and tap on Logout. And that's how we can log out from Snapchat account. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.